So tonight's orbit's going to be for little posterity purposes here. My microwave shorted out the other night, and maintenance came over today and said it was working fine. I saw a ton of blue smoke. When you see that mythical blue smoke, that ain't good. So we're gonna try to warm up some pizza here. As I do hear a little bit of buzzing. 'Now the only popping sound I hear is coming from the food. Now, 5 seconds ago I tried this without the camera pointing at it, and it started arcing. Now I pull the camera out to do an orbit, and it cooks my food. No blue smoke. No blue smoke. So I guess to use my microwave from now on, I'll just make an orbit. Problem solved.